Hey y'all, how's it going? YouTube, what's up? How's everybody going? Today we're going to take a look at this new impact set I got. We got the 2-inch impact rated security bit set from Bauer. It promises to be a nice looking set, and I've been waiting for this, so I was glad to get it, and I want to show you guys what it's all about. Alright, so this is the Bauer. There's a number for it. You get this at Harbor Freight. Comes with a magnetic bit holder, and let's take a look at it. This is what it looks like. These are the 2-inch bit set. See it? Very nice set here. It says guaranteed precision on the back here. Precision tips designed to prevent stripping the fastener. And I gotta say, I'm kind of liking the look of these. If you look at the Allens, you can see it has some grooves in the finish right here. I don't know if you could get that. Anyway, that's a design that's not on any of the other bits. It's almost like they were machined to the exact size. Maybe these lines are stress relief, I don't know. But anyway, very nice set here. As you can see, they come out of the case really easy. They have a nice design on them. See that? And they're all made like almost like they were machined. Now, I can't be sure. They're probably not machined, but anyway, the holes for the security bits part are absolutely center, whereas on some of the other cheaper sets they are a little off center sometimes, especially on the smaller sizes. So let's see what the smaller size of this one looks like. Okay, this is a T8. T8. That hole looks absolutely dead center. Dead center. All these bits, they have a little bit of oil on them, which is nice. You know, you don't want to. This is the number 2 2mm Allen. That hole looks absolutely center too. And that's the other thing I wanted to say about this set is the Allens that are included. Okay, we got SAE, which means we have 532 down to 5/64. All the other sets have no SAE Allens. I mean, no Allens, period, in SAE. Always metric now. And I think that's a real shame, because the metric sizes don't cover the incisors, and a lot of incisors are used on old machines that guys want to use. Now, they don't have to be security rated, security bits with holes in them, but nobody's making these Allens in these sets. So like I said, this set has them. It has SAE and metric. So the SAE goes up to 532 and the metric goes up to 6. Well, 6 will cover, will just about cover a 1/4 inch. It's just slightly smaller. And the number 5 will cover the 3/16. So with this here, they covered everything up to 1/4 inch from 532s. I mean, from the 5/64 is the smallest one, right? Right, let's see. See, these come out pretty nice. Yeah, I got that out with one hand. Yeah, see this? This is 332s. So I guess 332 is the smallest. Yeah. They just got them numbered out of order. What the hell is that? Is it another 332? What's this one? 7/64. So I got two 332s. And I didn't get a 5/64. Interesting. I'm going to have to send an email It's a 2mm. It's the smallest on the metric. The next one should be a 2.5. Yep, 2.5. Anyway, it looks like I got a double on the 332s, and I got no 5/64ths. Anyway, I do like the set though. I really like that they come right out of here. Now this is one of the original sets that I got way back in the day. Okay, this is the 1-inch set. It's almost exactly the same here. Okay, if it's a security bit set, okay, like this is a security bit set, right? Right. This is a security bit set. Why do I need flat blades and more Phillips heads in my security bit set? So by doing that, basically you got rid of all the Allens. If they didn't have these 6 or 5, whatever it is, I would have my Allens here, my SAE Allens. I have metric Allens here. So, you know, if it's going to be a true security bit set, it's not going to include flat blade, Phillips head, Phillips head, Phillips head, Phillips head. These have no Phillips heads in them. These other ones are called Torx or something. Some weird one. Torx. Let's see, yeah, Torx bits. There's a 6, 8, and a 10. Excuse me. Anyway, yeah. So if I wanted flat blades and all, I would just get a regular set like this. But if I would buy a security bit set, I really don't need any more flat blades. Not that I need them anyway. I mean, they're old, you know. Most stuff doesn't have a flat blade. So, okay guys, so like I was saying, I was glad that this has the the inch size Allen set, or hex keys like you would call them. But I'm not happy about this being missing my 5/64ths. And what I want to show you was I got this old set here. I've had this set over 10 years. Okay, it's basically the same set, only in shorter. Right? It has all the inch size Allens. It has the metric size Allens, the spanners, the Torx, the real Torx. So this is basically the same old set, old school, as my old set. That's at least 10 years old. This set I paid $5 for, I believe. Right? $5. By comparison, back in, I guess you would say the late 80s, I paid $35 for this one bit. It's a Mac T40. $35 for one bit from the dealer or from Mac Tools. This was for a something in a car we had to take off, and we needed this bit. $35, one bit. That's all right. It came in handy. Anyway, so $5 for this set, $20 for this set, Harbor Freight. These other sets were $10 each from Harbor Freight. And like I said, too many flat slotted bits. No need for that, all that. Phillips, yeah, but in a security bit set, I don't want to see Phillips and flatheads like this here and here. Oh, it's off the camera. The flathead here, the Phillips heads. We don't need more Phillips heads in a security bit set. I already got them in my bit set over here. And I'm happy I don't have them in this bit set. So anyway, I just wanted to show you guys that. Anyway, I want to say these also have these are precision tips, it says, designed to prevent stripping. And it looks like there's precision. You know what I mean? They have machining marks on them. So maybe they are precision. And the other thing is, these are impact rated bits designed to flex under load, it says. Well, I see this bit set, and I see where the red band is. That's usually the place where it's set to flex, supposedly. Right? Now some of these other bits, I forget which ones, but the flex part was actually in here where it was going to be inserted into the bit holder. So I don't see how that works, but I do see how this works. Okay. Now the Milwaukee one does have the flex thing in the middle here. So that just probably means that this steel hasn't been heat treated as high as this part has. So it's just a little softer, a little twist. And you know, it won't break there. I don't have an example of the other one I was talking about. Wish I did. Nope. Anyway. Okay, what else is there? So it says it's designed for use with all the impact drivers. They got precision tips, heavy duty guaranteed. Heavy duty guaranteed. So what do we have in here? 4, 6, 8, and 10 spanner. A 6, 8, and 10 torque. 1, 2, 3, and 4 tri-wing. Hex metric 2, 2.5, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Hex SAE 532, 9/64, 1/8, 7/64, 332, and if you're lucky, you'll get a 5/64. I got the 2 332s. And then we have our Torx. So this is where the range is. Mostly everybody's going to be using Torx these days. So it has from T8 on up to T40, which is, it's the whole range, right? I haven't heard of a T45 or T50, so I think that's it for Torx. And that's what you used to take apart most tools these days anyway. So anyway, guys, that's it for this video. Like I said, it's this is a good set. Paid double what I paid for these two sets. Double. So consider that. I usually wouldn't do that, but I really like this set. And I'm going to have to send an email or call Harbor Freight and find out what is up with my two. Why didn't I get the right bits, right? Alright, guys. Thanks for watching. Well, I'm going to have some more videos for you. You know, various topics. You know how I am. I like to go off on all different things. Phones, computers, tools, you know, appliances, how to fix stuff, you know, whatever it is, I'll try to fix it. So if you have an idea, you have a problem, leave me a comment, send me a message, and I'll do my best to respond. Thanks for watching. Give us a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you.